Subscribe our channel Tech Explorer and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of new video. Hello friends, welcome to Tech Explorer. In this video I am going to show you how to monitor your PC like a pro. So now let's explore it. To monitor your PC like a pro, you just need to install one application called AIDA64. There are different paid versions of this application. Here we provide the Extreme version and that's absolutely for free. Now watch the video carefully to install the Extreme Edition of AIDA64 for absolutely free. Basically, AIDA64 Extreme Edition is streamlined Windows diagnostic and benchmarking software for home users and hardware enthusiasts. Using this application, you can perform hardware error diagnosis, as this application shows the detailed information of your system performance, like number of CPU cores currently in use, CPU temperature, fan speed, and many other things, which helps you to perform stress testing and sensor monitoring. So if you like this video, please do like, comment, share, and most important, don't forget to subscribe our channel Tech Explorer for more videos like this. Now goodbye and thanks for watching this video.